What up, YouTube? Your boy Matt traded the Civic, got a piece of crap S10. Busting out the welder. I think you already know what we're doing. Should be pretty freaking dope. And give you a rock around in the truck, you know. Got neochrome lug nuts. It's got a license plate light. That's his license plate number if you want to look him up and see his identity.
Fuck you.
I'm not gonna censor that because no one gives a shit. And it's got a blacked out hood. It's lowered on springs. I don't know what brand. And the back is on leaf springs. I don't know what brand either. He just bought the truck. He doesn't know that much about it. So
I know it's so fun to drive.
we're gonna weld it with my 90 amp Harbor Freight welder. Should be
Guys,
freaking.
Last 2 bolts.
Should be pretty dope.
Or last 3 bolts.
So we got the cover off. Now we're just cleaning out with some brake fluid now. So time to get sideways, boy. Yeah.
Alright guys, Weston's just under there right now. Let's see if we can get
I should probably do something like that. That'll burn off.
Is it welded?
No. Well, you have to weld like all of it. Something like heat welding. Should I keep going?
Can't stop now.
Can you turn the wire speed down just a tad?
Good?
Up a tad. Well, I need a break from holding my head up like that. No, you should give me a penny board. I'm gonna rest my head on it.
AFC certified.
Yeah, they must be the same way, Matt. It's welded.
Alright, petty board, headrest. Check. What up, my dude? Engaging petty board.
Oh, yeah. That's how we. Take 2, grab it.
Take two. Sparks, baby, sparks.
Go. In the same way.
Yep. You want to do the other side?
Yeah, dude, I'm not even done with this side. It's gonna be a while. It kind of sucks. Actually, no, it's not that bad. I'm just
It's under a lot of horsepowers, obviously.
no, I just don't want these balls to snap on you, because this thing's kind of a shitty ass roll.
Yeah, well, if they snap, wouldn't it just go back to open diff?
Yeah, except for the fact that you have a bunch of metal shards going around and that'll destroy your diff and your pinion.
I'm glad I decided to do this.
She's mad.
Wow.
Did you get that all on camera? No. That was a good talk.
I did, though. You're recording still.
Oh, snap. That's what's up. Take two. Cover.
Usually take 4.
Dude, Harbor Freight Welder is putting in work. Straight out, dude. This thing's fucking beast.
Standard freaking power outlet.
Actually looking like a couple burgers up in there. Yeah.
Yo, spin the wheels.
Why does it stop right there? I can turn it.
Wait, what?
I'm trying to spin.
Good. That was broke or some shit. That scared me.
You don't have to film everything. I don't want to put it at 30 minutes. How long is this clip?
609.
Yeah, I'm not going to put it in, dude. That's going to work. Alright, side number 2, take 1. Litter it, tater chip.
What do you mean, the fuck?
What?
What? Don't fucking say that shit. Fucking welding my diff together, fucker.
Hey, not my choice. So guys, got the diff all back together. Kind of forgot to show you the actual weld. Don't worry, it looks like garbage. You're not missing out.
Here's the
So-
Here's all the flex in it.
Yeah, there's all the freaking slag and all that crap. And I'm not sure if we're really supposed to put limited slip gear oil in it, but we are. So it is what it is. You know, that's the old oil. It's like butthole.
Fuck it, it's not my truck, right?
Hey, my truck. It's his truck. It blows up. I don't give a shit. I got this. Yeah, I never told you guys about this. This is my Saab 93 Aero. It's got a turbo. Anyway, we'll do a video about that later.
You said the last
For
video.
now? No, I just said I got a new car, and I was like that. I didn't actually like say that. Oh, it's manual too, in case anyone's wondering. But yeah, and so is the truck. All right, we're gonna test it out. That'll be in a new video. Thanks for checking out the welded diff video. Any questions or any concerns, just let me know in the comments. Deuces.